Good afternoon everyone. Today we will discuss about unit number 2, network compression. Okay. Last lecture we will discuss about the project management, Gantt chart, milestone chart, time estimate, CPM, AOE and AON. Okay. Today we will discuss about the network compression, list count and optimization. Okay. In CPM, time is related to cost and the object is to develop and optimize a time cost relationship. Many times it become necessary to complete the project earlier than the normal time. Okay. Latest allowable time. In a such situation, the cost of expediting the operations or activities has to be considered. CPM makes use of the cost estimate along with the time estimate and provides a schedule for completing the activities at the minimum total cost. What is meant by CPM and PERT? Okay, the CPM time is related to the cost and the object is to be develop optimum time cost relationship. Second is the sometimes it become necessary to complete the project earlier than the normal time. In such situation, the cost of expenditure the operation has to be considered. CPM makes the use of cost estimate along with the time estimate, provides a schedule for completing the activities at the minimum total cost. Okay. कॉस्ट अँड ऑप्टिमायझेशनचं काय रिलेशन आहे ते आपण बघूया. दिस प्रोसिजर इम्प्रूव्स प्लॅनिंग, शेड्यूलिंग अँड कंट्रोलिंग ऑफ द project and also exists the possibility to arrive at a feasible and describable time cost relationship. Okay. The project duration can be reduced by reducing the duration of only the critical activities in the project network. The reduction in the time duration can be done. Two types of the relation time duration can be done. First is the deploying more resources for early completion, and second relaxing the technical specification. Okay, first is optimization, means the deploying more resource for earlier completion of such activity. Means the ultimate object of the network techniques is not only to bring improvement in planning, scheduling and control of the project, but also the access the possibility of arriving at a feasible and durable time cost relationship. Okay, the policy of every organization is to reduce the target time so that the time saved may be utilized for the additional production, or otherwise the overall project duration can be reduced by reducing the duration of only the critical activities in the project network. Okay, the duration of such activities may be reduced in two ways. Means the first is the deploying more resources, by deploying more resources for the earlier completion of the such activity. Second is the relaxing the technical specification for a such activity. Means the later method mostly depend on the engineering consideration and is not being discussed here. In the whole of CPM cost model, we will assuming that project duration is reduced by deploying more resources on critical activities. Then for a given project, there is a certain range of time during which the project may be completed depending upon the resources employing on various critical operations. If the duration is made, larger cost will be reduced. Okay, on the other hand, reducing the project duration would increase the cost. Discussion on this will depend on the whatever the commitment of additional resources and expenses is worthwhile. The optimized duration will be one which gives the most economic cost for completing the project. Okay, optimum duration, the duration which gives the most economic cost for completing the project. Okay. Then in CPM there are two time and cost estimate for each activity: normal estimate and crash estimate. Okay, To estimate in the normal estimate emphasis is one cost with the time being associated with the minimum cost, means in the normal estimate the emphasis and cost with the time being associated with the minimum, and the crash estimate involves the absolute minimize the time required for the job and the cost necessary to achieve it. Is here the emphasis is on time. Okay. Then project variation of project cost with duration. Okay. Project cost with duration, for any project the relationship between the total cost and overall duration is shown in figure. Okay. It is clear from the figure that first variation of project cost, if a project goes the indefinitely, means if project goes on indefinitely the cost will increase. Second, the similar the cost will increase if project is expedited, and third, cost is minimum at some optimization project duration. Okay. Our main concern naturally is find the project duration which will keep the total project cost at a minimum, at a cost sorry, cost at a minimum, project cost at a minimum. First is दिसतंय तुम्हाला हा ग्राफ. फर्स्ट आहे व्हेरिएशन ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट ऑफ टाइम मीन्स ऑप्टिमम ड्युरेशन देन मिनिमम कॉस्ट. डॉटेड लाईन येते ते कर्व येते. कॉस्ट रायजेस इफ प्रोजेक्ट इज क्रॅश्ड अँड डाऊन येते क्रॉस रायज इफ प्रोजेक्ट इज प्रोलॉंग. ओके. प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट टू टाइप. फर्स्ट इज द वेटा main variation of total project cost with duration. Cost rise, total cost and duration. Horizontal is duration, represent duration, and vertical axis represent in total cost. Okay. Cost is means the cost is considered to be common parameter of resources expenditure on a project. In other words, the application and use of the man, money, machine, material and time for the performance of various activities, and activities are all related to these common measures of cost. Okay. First is down duration down in minimum cost. Right side is the cost rise if project is prolonged. Then optimum duration, then cost rises in crash. Cross rised in crashed is cost rised if crashed. Then down time cost curve. Okay. Main part is the top is the cost rise if project is crashed. Okay. Then down is a cost rise is if project is prolonged. Okay. Then time cost curve and optimum cost is considered common parameter of the resource expended on the project. Okay. Then total project main total project cost is a sum of two separate costs. First is the direct cost for accomplishing the work, and the indirect cost related to the control or duration of that work. Financial overload, loss production and the like. The components of the total cost is depicted figure. First is total cost, direct cost and indirect cost. Indirect cost or outage loss and overheads. Okay. Components of the, this is the components of the project cost. First is the project duration, indirect cost. Okay. This is the graph of the project duration and supervisionary and overheads. Okay. Indirect cost on project are those expenditure which cannot be appropriate on clearly allocated to the individual activities of a project but assessed as a whole. The indirect cost includes the expenditure related to administrative and characters overhead supervision, and expenditure on a central store organization, loss of revenue, lost profit, penalty, etc. Okay. Indirect cost supernary and overheaded means the indirect cost rise with the increased duration for any project. The relationship indirect cost means the project duration in shown figure, considering only overhead and a supervision. Okay, supervision means it constant rate of rise, means horizontal axis project duration, vertically indirect cost means the constant rate of rise, means second variation of indirect cost with project duration means indirect cost overhead plus outage loss, means project duration and total indirect cost means overheaded is down and up is curve for outage loss and the total indirect cost curve. Okay, then means the considering only overhead and supervision, it would be represented by straight line. Okay, हे स्ट्रेट लाईन तुम्हाला दिसते कॉन्स्टंट रेट ऑफ राईज मध्ये इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट हा कॉन्स्टंट रेट राईज आहे अँड विथ द स्लोप इक्वल डेली ओव्हरहेडेड. ओके, देन but when there is loss in profit due to inability to meet demand or due to some penalty due to delay, corresponding cost increase must be added to the cost of overhead producing the curve as shown in figure. Such loss is called outage loss. Okay, व्हेरिएशन ऑफ कर आउटेज लॉस बघताय तुम्ही, करच्या डाऊनला आहे ते आउटेज लॉस आहे. ओके, सच लॉस इज प्रोड्युसिंग कर मीन्स सच लॉस इज आउटेज लॉस means the total indirect cost curve will be thus curved. Okay, then indirect cost curve, indirect cost project means indirect cost project मेन पार्ट इनडायरेक्ट प्रोजेक्ट फर्स्ट आउटेज आहे तोच आहे, वरचा जो डायग्राम आहे तोच आहे. ओके, इथं दिलं इंडायरेक्ट कर्व प्रोजेक्टमध्ये देर आर दोज एक्सपेंडिचर विच कॅन बी क्लिअरली अलोकेटेड टू द इंडिव्हिज्युअल ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट बट आर असेस्ड होल. ओके, इट इन्क्लूड्स एक्सपेंडिचर रिलेटेड टू ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह करेक्ट अँड एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट चार्जेस, सुपरविजन एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन सेंट्रल स्टोअर ऑर्गनायझेशन. ओके, loss of revenue, loss penalty etc. Okay, indirect cost rise which increase duration दाखवले आउटेज लॉस, हे तुमचा आउटेज लॉस आहे. कर टोटल इनडायरेक्ट लॉसचा जो मधला पार्ट करचा आहे तो आउटेज लॉस, म्हणजे लॉस इज प्रॉफिट इनएबिलिटी टू मीट डिमांड और पेनल्टी ड्यू टू डिले. ओके, देन डायरेक्ट प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट, direct project cost, those expenditure which are directly chargeable to and can be identified specifically with the activities of the project. Okay, means direct project cost is those expenditure which are directly chargeable to and can be identified specifically with the activities of the project. These includes labor cost and material cost and equipment cost etc. Okay, for direct versus time relationship between means relationship for direct cost and इथं तुम्हाला दिसते time and cost, normal distribution and crash distribution. For direct versus time relationship, considering the excavation of a trench for laying a pipeline, means if may be assumed that the nature of the job in such that only one man at a time would be able to work on it and taking a total of 40 man hours of work. Okay, then the various ways of completing the work is illustrated, means assuming that labor charges are at the rates of Rs 12, 16 and 20 for the first, second and third shift respectively. Okay, then स्टँडर्ड टेबल असतो वन मॅनला. समजा एक टेबल आहे, त्यामध्ये स्टँडर्ड टेबलमध्ये काय असतो, मॅन पॉवर एम्प्लॉयमेंट. ओके, त्यामध्ये काय असतो, मॅन पॉवर कुठलं कुठलं सांगितलं आत्ता, 1 मॅन, 2 मॅन, 3 मॅन. ओके, सिरियल नंबर असेल मॅन पॉवर. ओके, मॅन पॉवर एम्प्लॉयमेंट 1 मॅन, 2 मॅन, 3 मॅन. ओके, देन शिफ्ट सिस्टीममध्ये काय असतं, सिंगल शिफ्ट, 2 मॅनला डबल शिफ्ट सिस्टीम, 3 मॅनला 3 शिफ्ट सिस्टीम. ओके, टाईम कम्प्लिशन 1 मॅनला काय असतो तर 5 days, 2 मॅनला 3 days, मीन्स 3 फर्स्ट शिफ्ट अँड 2 सेकंड शिफ्ट, अँड 3 मॅनला काय असतं, मीनला काय असतो 2 days, 2 फर्स्ट शिफ्ट, 2 सेकंड शिफ्ट आणि 1 थर्ड शिफ्ट. हे चार्जेस ठरलेले असतात. फर्स्ट शिफ्टला RS12, सेकंड शिफ्टला RS16 आणि थर्ड शिफ्टला RS20. ओके, मीन्स 1 मेन असेल तर फर्स्ट शिफ्ट 60, 2 मेन असेल तर 36, 3 मेन असेल तर 24, असे चार्जेस असतील. त्याचे काय असतील टोटल, फर्स्ट शिफ्टला 60, सेकंड 0, थर्ड 0, म्हणजे 60 टोटल येणार. 2 मेनला काय असणार, फर्स्ट शिफ्ट 12 असेल, थांबा 36 असेल, 2ला डबल होणार. ओके, आणि सेकंडला 32, 3ला 0 म्हणजे 68, त्याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन आहे. 3 मेन असेल तर 24, 32 अँड 20, त्याचं काउंट 76. हे स्टँडर्ड टेबल ऑफ द मीन मॅन पॉवर एम्प्लॉयमेंट. ओके, देन व्हेरिएशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट विथ टाईम ऑफ with time. Okay, first term for direct cost curve means normal time TN. ह्याचं लॉंग फॉर्म लक्षात ठेवा आणि त्याचे मिनिंग पण लक्षात ठेवा. ओके, नॉर्मल टाईम TN, क्रॅश टाईम TE, नॉर्मल कॉस्ट CN, क्रॅश कॉस्ट CC. ओके, नॉर्मल टाईम TN standard means that standard time that an estimator would usually allow for an activity. Crash time TC means minimum possible time in which an activity can be completed by employing extra resources. Normal cost CN is direct cost required to complete the activity in a normal time. Crash cost means CC. Okay, direct cost corresponding to completion of activity within crash time. Okay, first slope of direct cost means the slope of direct cost curve means the first is the main normal time is the first duration of within time variation. हे झालं डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट कर्व. ओके, 68 हे त्याचं कर्व. आता मी जे टेबल सांगितलं त्याचे ड्युरेशन आणि डेट टाकायचे, त्याचे कर्व करायचे. मीन्स द डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट कर्व हॅव्हिंग मेनी सेगमेंट दस फॉल विथ इन्क्रीज इन ड्युरेशन. हवेर द टोटल इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट कर्व रायझेस विथ इन्क्रीज इन ड्युरेशन. ओके, असं करायचं. नॉर्मल कॉस्ट इज टाईम इज स्टँडर्ड दॅट एस्टिमेट युजली अलो फॉर अन ॲक्टिव्हिटी. ओके, झालं ह्याचं. नंतर slope of direction direct cost duration. Cost slope means the direct cost curve is generally a curve as shown in figure. इथं दिसतंय तुम्हाला total cost for project cost. Okay, however this curve can be approximated by straight line or more than one straight line depending upon the flatness of the curve. Okay, then for example the flat curve that is can be approximated straight single straight line, and while the curve is curve can be approximated by the 3 straight lines. Okay, तुम्हाला दिसतंय तुमचा टोटल कॉस्ट कर्व मध्ये फर्स्ट इज the straight line or segment approximate of the direct cost curve is helpful in carrying out the project cost analysis. Okay, in such analysis the cost slope is used. Okay, cost slope means काय, cost slope म्हणजे काय, त्याचं फॉर्म्युला काय, त्याचे शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स काय. द कॉस्ट स्लोप इज द स्लोप ऑफ द डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट कर्व. ओके, डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट कर्वला ते काय असतं, कॉस्ट स्लोप अप्रॉक्सिमेट स्ट्रेट लाईन. ओके, अप्रॉक्सिमेट स्ट्रेट लाईन इट इज डिफाइंड ॲज अ कॉस्ट स्लोप. Cost slope is equal to crash cost minus normal cost divided by normal time minus crash time. Cost divided by time. Okay, cost slope म्हणजे काय, crash cost minus normal cost divided by normal time minus crash time. Okay, CS means capital CS means cost slope. तुम्हाला शॉर्ट फॉर्म फोन विचारतात तो लक्षात ठेवा. समजतंय का तुम्हाला? पूर्ण टाइम अँड ऑप्टिमायझेशनवर आहे, टाइम कॉस्ट अँड ऑप्टिमायझेशन. ओके, नेटवर्क ऑपरेशन रिलेटेड आहेत, हा पूर्ण लक्ष द्या. आणि ज्यांना समजत नसेल तर प्लीज विचारत जावा. Cost slope is a crash cost minus normal cost divided by normal time minus crash time. Okay, CS is a cost slope is equal to CC minus CN divided by TN minus TC. ओके, वरचे डेफिनेशन पण तुम्ही लिहून घ्या थोड्या वेळात. हे एवढं कंप्लीट झालं की डेफिनेट म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल, क्लिअर येईल. CC मीन्स मला आता पाठ झालं. CC मीन्स काय? CC मीन्स काय? वरच्या याला तुम्ही बघताय, वरच्या क्रॅश कॉस्ट. ओके, मायनस CN म्हणजे काय? नॉर्मल कॉस्ट डिवाइड बाय TN मीन्स नॉर्मल टाइम मायनस TC मीन्स क्रॅश टाइम. ओके, इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा C बाय डेल्टा T. डेल्टा C इज ए increase in cost, डेल्टा T is a decrease in time. Okay, increase and decrease, where CS is cost slope, delta C is equal to increase in cost, delta T is equal to decrease in time. If the cost curve is approximated to a single straight line, it will be one cost slope. If however the cost curve has segmented approximate, it will have more than one cost slope. The single or multiple cost slope will depend upon the non-linearity of the direct cost curve. The segment approximate of cost curve having multiple cost slope is more accurate, but calculations are more involved. Generally, single cost slope is assumed. Correct. हा तुम्हाला स्लोप तुम्हाला दिसते. इट इज द सम ऑफ डायरेक्ट अँड इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट. मिनिमम कॉस्ट, टोटल कॉस्ट कर्व, डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट अँड इनडायरेक्ट दिसते तुम्हाला. T0 and TN, TO and TN. Okay, optimum and TN means normal, TO means optimum, TN means normal. Okay, write down definition. Time estimate, time cost estimate. Write down definition of normal estimate and crash estimate. सगळ्याचे फॉर्म्युला हे लिहून घ्या, कारण तुम्हाला जोपर्यंत ते फॉर्म्युला लक्षात येत नाही तोपर्यंत डेफिनेशन पण क्लिअर होत नाही. नॉर्मल एस्टिमेट, द एम्फेसिस इज ऑन कॉस्ट. with time beginning associate with the minimum cost. Minimum cost. Second, crash estimate. Crash estimate is defined, emphasis is one time. Emphasis is on time. It involves the absolute minimum time required. It involves the absolute minimum time required for the job. And the cost necessary to achieve it. Cost necessary to achieve it. Next, project cost chart काढून घ्या. Project cost, total cost divided by two parts, direct cost and indirect cost, divided into two parts, direct cost and indirect cost. Indirect divided sub points, overhead and outage loss. Overhead and outage loss. Draw the indirect cost and indirect cost, supervision and overhead per outage loss. Draw the graph for indirect cost means supervision and overhead. Indirect cost and project horizontal axis represented by project duration and vertical represented by indirect cost. Straight line is a straight line duration by constant rate of rise. जो स्ट्रेट लाईन दिसतोय तो ओव्हरहेडमध्ये कॉन्स्टंट रेट ऑफ राईज. Second, total indirect cost. Indirect cost means overhead plus outage loss. Indirect cost means overhead plus outage loss. Means project duration. Horizontal axis is project duration and vertical axis is total indirect cost. Straight line is outage. Straight line is overhead loss, outage loss, and curve is total indirect cost curve. Total indirect cost curve. Then definition of indirect project cost and direct project cost. Indirect project cost on project are those expenditure which cannot be appropriate or clearly allocated to the individual activities of a project. Outage loss means due to inability to meet demand or due to some penalty due to delay, corresponding cost increase must be added to cost of overhead. Means the producing the curve, such a loss is called outage loss. Means loss in profit due to inability meet demand on penalty due to delay. Okay, then next